Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create Laurel Wreath Design in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool, and click once. Add the artboard dimensions to it. And do the center align. And apply the black color to it. Lock the background or press Ctrl+2. Go to the rectangle tool, hold Shift key and create a square shape. And apply the any color to it. Go to the Direct Selection tool, select these anchor points, and drag it inside to create a leaf shape. Go to the Edit menu, and copy, then paste in front. And minimize its size. Apply the background color with Eyedropper tool. Right-click on it, and group them. Drag the leaf copy for later use. Rotate it, and place it here. Hold the Alt key, and create a copy of it. Go to the Reflect tool, and hit Enter. Select Vertical, and hit OK. Select both, right-click on it, and group them. Go to the Effect menu, Distort and then Transform. Use these settings. And hit OK. Go to the Line tool, and create a straight line. Add stroke weight to it. And select the profile 4. And flip it. Select both, and do the center align. And put this leaf on top of it. Select all, and group them. Open the brush panel, if it's not there bring it from the window menu. And drag it inside. Select Arc Brush. Use these settings. Create a circle shape using Ellipse tool. Select this anchor point using Direct Selection tool, and delete it. And select this brush. You can adjust its stroke. Hold the Alt key, and create a copy of it. Go to the Reflect tool, and hit Enter. Select Vertical, and hit OK. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.